Let's factor this trinomial, and it's still in our same form that we've been dealing with, ax squared plus bx plus c. But this time, what happens when the a is less than 0? And it's just one slight change that I would make to this. If you're factoring a trinomial when your a is less than 0, you could do yourself a big favor by just factoring out that negative sign. So I'm just going to factor out a negative 1, which will basically change all the signs in. So now that's going to change to a positive 3x squared, a negative 16x, and then a negative 12. And so now it's just a lot easier to deal with a leading coefficient that's positive than when it's negative. So let's just deal with just this now, and then we'll just tack on the negative 1 at the end, and then we'll be done. All right, so now it's in the form of when a is bigger than 0. So now I have to do my diamond when I multiply this, and so I'll get negative 36 and negative 16. Let's see here. 18 and 2, and I want that to be a negative 16, so negative 18 and 2 there. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this now, and actually I'm actually going to rewrite this one because this is the problem now that I'm dealing with. So 3x squared, but now I'm going to use, instead of putting negative 16x, I'm going to write negative 18x plus 2x. Okay, and so I got that from right there. All right, and then I'm going to do plus 12. Now let's go ahead and factor by grouping. So I put my parentheses right here, parentheses right there. The GCF right here, let's see, 3x squared minus 18x is going to give us a 3x. So I have x minus 6. And here I'm going to factor out a 2, so I get x plus 6. And I made an error somewhere because these are supposed to be the same. And something didn't quite come out right. See, this is supposed to be a negative 12. So let's go back and make that a negative 12. So negative 12, which then will make that a negative 6 right there. Negative 6. Okay, good. So now they're exactly the same. So the answer then right here is you factor that out. So I have x minus 6, and then look at what we have left. We have 3x and 2. So 3x plus 2. Okay, now if you do that, we're actually incorrect now, because remember, we actually were not doing the original problem. We were doing this guy. So now you have to tack on the negative 1. So that means you could just put a little negative sign right there. And if you were to multiply this all back out, you would get back your original problem right here.